Morning, everybody. So, looking at the DAX, so we had a pretty quiet day on the DAX yesterday, and I think the key thing that's in play today is the weekly kijun-sen. Okay, so let's just make that red. No, what it is. Okay. Apart from that, there is another area coming up pretty soon, which will be there. There's nothing else on the weekly that we can really take note of. Okay, so a couple of things here on the daily. So firstly, we are at the top of the cloud. Okay, top of the cloud, which coincides with the weekly kijun-sen. And you can see how price has been behaving around here. We have broken through the 200 and the 200 and 100 are crossing over, which is a bullish signal. We've had a twist here, and Sikuspan has come through price, kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen, and it just has the cloud. And look how narrow the cloud is. So there's very little resistance for Sikuspan at the moment. So it should break through that with relative ease. The concerning part is that we have some distance between kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, as well as price and Tenkan-sen. I'd like to see these two closer together. Okay, and the other concerning part is that we are flattening out here on kijun-sen, but that may just be because we are going to consolidate here at this level, being a big level. And if we do push through here, if you look to the left, there's very little to stop it. So we have some resistance there, but after that, the next resistance is this level here, okay, which coincides with some flat bits of cloud. And then you can slowly move your way up on the inside here on the tail. So it'll be then that tail, then that tail. Once that breaks, it'll be the top. Okay. We do have some Brooks gaps. There's one here and there's one here. So a break here will be a pretty violent move, in my opinion. Probably all the way up to there before it starts slowing down. Or no, let's be conservative, to there. So it's a 481 point move before it starts slowing down. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Okay, the 4 hour trend is up. Okay, it is up, and we do have some diversions here. We have a double top while price is going to the upside, but we are still above Tenkan-sen. So as long as we're above Tenkan-sen and above kijun-sen, actually, you should be. If you're in this trade at the moment, long, you're still holding it. You may be able to get in, and you can see this is following pretty much what the Dow is doing. So we have a sort of consolidation phase here. Okay. And just to show you the measured move here, it's probably wrong one. So there, to there, to there. So the measured move is pretty close to this major resistance as well. So, yes, I think maybe some more of the same, before we break through. But if we do push through here convincingly on the 4 hour, then I think it'll be safe to say that we'll have some more upside coming. And let's finally just get down to the hour. Okay, as per the Dow, we've had a bullish crossover outside the cloud, and we have Sikuspan inside price, and there's very little. It'll need to just turn and point to the other way. And we have some bullish signals. We have a very wide cloud here. And the nice thing about the DAX right now is even getting in at this point, it's 120 point stop loss. So if I just keep my stop below the cloud, Okay, because and the reason why I'll do that is because it takes a lot of effort for price to get through the cloud. If you look, whenever it's in the cloud, it takes a hell of a lot of effort to actually break through. You see, so when the cloud is thick, like it is now, it is offering a lot of resistance. In other words, the momentum is to the upside, and the probability of it of just falling through this is going to have to be some catastrophic event happening in the world. And it could be a Trump tweet, it could be a missile, but it'll have to be something really catastrophic for price to suddenly drop below the cloud. Normally, price action will be it'll slowly, gradually grind down and into this cloud and break and then retest. So by keeping your stop here, you've got enough wiggle room. But what you want to do is you don't want to go with a massive amount of contracts. You want to make sure that your stop here is within your 3% risk profile. And so yes, I think for the DAX, same as the Dow, I'm fairly bullish at the moment. But I'd like a nicer entry down this area. But if we don't get it, then I'll be in and I'll just trail my stop below the kijun-sen on the hour. So basically, let's say I get in there. It's a 20-point stop loss at the moment, so I can do it at the bottom of the range, or take a smaller position and just keep a stop well below the cloud, which is a less stress-free method of doing it. Anyway, guys, that's the DAX. Hope it helps. I'll catch you later.